just showing you how you can use a particular formula. All right. All right. Is everybody okay with that? What that B represented? All right. We have another one. 2 more, I hope. Nice job, guys. All right. Let's try the next problem. And this is on copper. I get there. Okay, so the production of copper increased at a rate of about 4.9% each year between 1989 and 1993. In 1993, the copper production was 1.801 times 10 to the 9 kilograms. If this trend continues, when will the world copper production exceed 10 to the 10 kilograms? The equation for exponential growth is, and you should know that by now. Okay, so on an SAT exam, you might see something like that. Did you guys see anything like that when you took the SATs? Did you recall any population one? Okay, you didn't see one. Okay, did you see one on the kneecap? You don't remember. Okay. All right, so let's see if we can plug this one in. So the production of copper increased at a rate of about 4.9% per year between 1988 and 1993. In 1903, blah, 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 blah. So how are we going to set that up?
5 years, so 1.249.
Okay, so we know what our base is, and I'm going, since we're running out of time, I'm going to show you this. This is an example of when I can use a graphing calculator to find out where I'm going to be. Okay, and in this particular one, the amount was 1.801 times 10 to the 9th. So this would be our formula. Okay, and can I graph that?
Yes.
Okay, and in this particular case,
But don't you already have T?
I'm looking for when, I don't know what T is. They're asking me, when, how many years will it be before I am? I don't have T yet.
So those 5 years doesn't really matter. It was just telling you.
That's right. They were telling you.
Oh, so it's 4.9% in 5 years. Every 5 years.
Right. So yeah, you don't know. So you're looking to see if you can use an equation and look and just they did a trace. Okay.
Wow.
That one would be a pretty simple one to do. All right. One last one, and then I'm done. Okay. And this one is a fun one. The number of Dalmatian dogs registered in the American Kennel Club grew from 38,927 in 1992 to 42,816 in 1993. Is that a big jump?
Yeah.
In how long? One. So do we have our time? Yeah, we have our time in this particular one. If this trend, so do we have an initial number? We have a starting number. We have time. If this trend continues, when will the registered Dalmatians exceed 70%?
70.
So what are we looking for? So they're saying if this trend continues, is that increase going to be a steady increase?
Mm-hmm.
So can we figure out what the rate of change will be? Okay, so that's what you're doing in these. So all of these problems were just a matter of using the same formula and then just looking for different things.
So for this one, you're finding B?
Well, I'm going to find, what I'm going to do is, I know that it went from this to 42,000, and I found the difference, and I found out that it was a 0.10% increase. So what will my base be?
0.1?
Do I still have 100% of the dogs?
Yeah, oh, it's 1.1.
And then it was an increase of 10%, so what is my base going to be? 1.1. Okay, because I have 110%, and that equals 1.1.
So for your equation, would you put 42 on the left alone, or would you put?
That is my, I'm saying from this, we modeled the growth by, we
Okay.
want to know what it will be in, what?
Okay. Yeah, I get it.
70,000.
I get it.
Okay.
And again, they did this on a graphing calculator actually and looked for 70,000. All right, so you can use your calculator. And I'm wondering what I'm gonna do.
Well, why don't you use the
All right.
or she did?
What year was
You 3/4
So you're John.
Oh, you have big quarter features.
And we did 1 through 4 from what? 6:30,
Study example.
6:27.
If you
Wait, is the
keep
explore part of it?
change up.
Yeah.
Numbers 2 through 4
Do
over
the explore.
study examples 1 through what?
1 through 4. So I did 4 examples with you. And I want you to go back and do them. Cover them up. Can I do that type of problem? Okay, it's page 628. I'm asking you to do the explore. And I'm asking you to study those examples. When I say study is you go back through them, you cover the problem up. They're done for you, so if you screw up, you should be able to figure out how to get out of the hole. Okay?